Hello everyone, I hope I'm audible. So, I'm back after a long time. So, let's start with today's updates. So, on 4 hour, there is resistance for the gold on this level. And so, the trade plan for today's New York session, because अभी 5 बज रहे हैं, थोड़ी देर में न्यूयॉर्क सेशन स्टार्ट होगा. So, what we can expect is there is resistance level here. So, we can expect some selling in gold. इस लेवल को टैप करने के बाद कोई लोअर टाइम फ्रेम पे कंफर्मेशंस मिलेगा 5 मिनट या 1 मिनट टाइम फ्रेम पे, और फिर हम यहाँ से एक सेलिंग प्लान कर सकते हैं. सॉरी, this is the move that we can expect from gold, like this. Okay, something like this. एंड सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज़, अगर ये लेवल क्रॉस कर देता है, इस पे सपोर्ट ले लेता है, देन वी कैन लुक फॉर सेल इन दिस एरिया. दिस इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेल एरिया फॉर गोल्ड, and personally I'll be more interested in selling from this area. So that's the update for gold. Now let's look at silver. So silver is below 1 day breaker block. So right now there is no short setup on silver present, but we can expect that सिल्वर इस जोन में आए, फिर यहाँ पे कोई सेल सेटअप दे, देन इट विल बी अ बेटर सेल सेटअप. यहाँ पे लिक्विडिटी भी पेंडिंग है साई की, तो ये भी स्वीप करने के बाद अगर कोई सेल सेटअप मिलेगा सिल्वर में, तो दैट विल बी अ गुड सेटअप. And I'll also share with you at the end a trade that I took today यूरो JPY में. वो प्लान आउट नहीं हुआ, but I'll tell you what I took, why I took, and why it did not play out. I'll explain all three things at the end. यहाँ पे एक ट्रेंड लाइन रेजिस्टेंस है, उससे हो सकता है प्राइस नीचे आए, यहाँ पे कोई बाय सेटअप दे और फिर ऊपर जाए, ये भी हो सकता है. यहाँ से काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग बाइंग आई है. सो लेट्स सी. यहाँ पे सेलिंग हुई, इधर बायर्स को ट्रैप किया, फिर इस पूरी वेव में सेलर्स को ट्रैप किया, फिर मार्केट यहाँ से सपोर्ट लेके वापस उठने लगा. देयर इज़ पॉसिबिलिटी कि प्राइस इस माइनर सपोर्ट लेवल पे सपोर्ट ले. इधर भी लिक्विडिटी है, सो देयर इज़ ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी कि प्राइस इस सपोर्ट लेवल पे आए, ये लो स्वीप करे, फिर यहाँ पे हम बाय मिल सकता है. अगर प्राइस देता है तो वी कैन टारगेट दिस हाई, और अगर प्राइस पहले यहाँ जाता है, सो लाइक प्राइस इफ गोज हियर, तो हम यहाँ पे एक सेल देख सकते हैं ऐसे करके. ठीक, पहला सिनेरियो ये होगा, एंड सेकंड सिनेरियो कुड बी price comes down from something like this. So ये दो scenario will be better to trade. So in short I can say, like, wait for the price to take out either of the high or low of this wave, and only we can trade on silver. Now let's come to oil. Oil has broken a big support that it was following for more than 6 months. Oh my god, this is a big support for oil. वो तेल तो सस्ता होना चाहिए भाई. Oil has fallen a broken a big support. Big support. Oil has broken a support that it was falling from past 2 years. So oil is bearish now. We can look for short setups on oil from this level. 9 to 10% down on oil. So ऑयल के लिए एक एडवांस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक का सेल जोन है. यहाँ पे अगर हमको सेल सेटअप मिलता है वी विल गो फॉर शॉर्ट्स एंड वी विल लुक फॉर शॉर्ट्स ऑन ऑयल. ऑयल पे अच्छा शॉर्ट मिल सकता है. सो सी if oil gives something like this, sorry, this is one scenario. Second scenario, this is scenario 1. और अगर ये हाई ब्रेक करता है ऑयल, so that means कि there will be candle close. We don't want any candle close above this red zone. So let's see, अगर ये high break करता है maybe then oil is bullish or it has something else in plan. हो सकता है फिर बाद में एंट्री दे, यहाँ जाएगा स्ट्रक्चर्स डेवलप करेगा फिर गिरेगा. So there is two possibilities. Oil पे short setups in this level से देख सकते हैं. This is a very good level to look for shorts on oil. So you can add your alerts on oil on this level. Like this. Okay. ऐसा एक पिक बनाए फिर उसके बाद सेल सेटअप दे, सो आई अपडेट यू. Let's move to USD JPY. I hope everything was. Let's look on clear charts. So price is on daily support on USD JPY, but it kind of broke that support, then trying to regain that support with more than 50% body made of wick. So there is possibility that it might try to take out this Friday high. Let's look on lower time frames. Okay, there is possibility that it try to take out this high. So okay, there is change of character on 1 hour time frame. Like the change of character tha. There is change of character on 1 hour time frame, and this low has still been not broken. So if we get a buy setup, if we get a buy setup here, we can plan for longs on USD JPY. Only if we get a good buy setup on lower time frames. And if this low gets broken, then the picture will change and we will look for shorts. So we will mark shorts below this level. So we can mark shorts below this level, and for longs we want price to respect these lows and give a high. As of now there is no definite structure, so just wait. For longs we can plan something if market gives something like this, then only. Like if something like this happens in the US session, then you can plan for long. Let's look at USD CHF. I have made out something. Okay, it has broken big supports, previous supports. There is kind of support level here as well, which we cannot ignore. Price is taking support from this level. It was a big candle with a wick, then it opened gap down. There was a gap down opening, made a wick, started to fall, then again it is moving up. So what we can conclude from this? There's sure liquidity here. Once price takes this liquidity out, I think it can go up also. So nothing conclusive can be said as of right now. Capital investment. If we get a short setup here, we can plan for short. I'll show you, like, if we get something like this, if we get something like this, okay, then we can look for shorts. Something like this. Let's look at USD CAD. Open gap down. USD CAD gap up open हुआ. Let's see how it behaves. It is showing bullish strength. यहाँ से probably buying हो सकती है. इसके अंदर buying zone. Price is ranging here. Let's see. This was yellow, this was high sweep, then again in the liquidity zone. So right now there is this liquidity pending. look for buys above this level. If the price breaks below this level and this level, we will no longer look for buys. We can watch out for USD CAD, it can give good trade opportunities. There is also order block here, so we can expect price go to this level and we can add alert. The US 30 is not giving any clear structure, although it has broken previous high and also this structure, but not anything conclusive can be said about US 30 right now, so better to avoid it until the US session opens. Sideways ranging, see, it is just ranging. Try to break out, fell back in, took the liquidity again, trying to break out. If it again fails and breaks below this level, if it again fails and break below this level, we can look for shorts, I guess. Like this. This will be expectation for short. This can be a good setup. Watch out for NZD USD. Like this. This is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting for short. This can be a good place for short. US also we don't have any conclusive data as of now, so it will be better if we wait out until the US session open. Low time frame pay we can find a good setup, but we should wait until the US market opens because as of now the price is broken the structure to the upside, but we still need more confirmation to plan out. This was my plan for GBPUSD. I'm expecting. Okay, this is my plan for GBPUSD. I'm expecting price to. I was expecting price to go above this level and then plan a short. But since the price started to fall again. So now I'm expecting price to take out this level and then expect a short trade. So this is my expectation. Okay, let's see how it plays out. This is my plan for Euro USD. If the price goes above this level or this level, then we can plan for short setup. And nothing conclusive can be said about GBPSG actually right now. So we're to debate for more price action. Okay. This is also playing out like GBPUSD. Similar setup like NZDUSD. If the price breaks this low, then we can plan shorts. Okay, so this is the setup that I took today. The logic behind this setup was it was below this resistance level. It was not a very strong the price took support from this level. Got rejected one time, so again took support second time. So yeah, only two price actions happened, but yeah, still the price is below this. It opened gap down, and then on 5 minute time frame there was liquidity sweep here. on Saturday, and there was a gap down opening, vast gap down opening. And price retraced above, and again there was liquidity here, which I did not consider. I expected this to be a liquidity sweep, this, and I entered from this level. Actually, there was no order block on this level, neither there was any fair value gap. I simply entered based on Fibonacci retracement like this from this level, and it hit my stop loss. It hit my stop loss. So, but जब तक price इस level के ऊपर नहीं जाता, we can look for shorts on Euro JPY also. If price breaks this low, we can plan for shorts on Euro JPY. This can be a good short setup. So yeah, this was the extra bonus trade, you can say. And if there is anything else, I'll update it.